What's going on? Hold on, let me get off. Thank you. You guys want to check it out?
Yeah. Yes.
Come here. Check it out. You guys want to rev it? Hold on, let me put it in gear. Here, you want to turn it on? Hit that button. No, go ahead. Hold it. There you go. Yep, you're good. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, good. Oh yeah. That's sick. You guys want these when you're older? Yeah, they're sick. Oh man. It was nice to meet you guys. Have a good one.